Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of face-to-face to online transition. Today, we will be looking at how to upload your PowerPoint directly to your Microsoft Stream. If your PowerPoint has audio, animations, and transition, it does not matter. Just one click of a button and your PowerPoint has been uploaded. So without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here I am in one of my PowerPoint presentations, and I'm quickly going to go ahead and turn on the slideshow so you can see that my PowerPoint has audio, animations, and transitions. My name is Bhavani Kola, and why do I consider myself? So as you can see, my PowerPoint had audio, transitions, and animations. It's quite hectic for me to download this as a video file and then upload it because you'll be wasting a lot of memory on your computer. So all you have to do is go to your file, click on Export, and click Publish to Microsoft Stream. And please keep in mind, this is only possible if you're using your online version of your PowerPoint. So once you do that, here you have your title. Go ahead and give your video a title. Give it a description if you want. And if you want everybody in your organization to take a look at it, you can just simply click allow. I did not do it because I want to keep it private. And then you click upload your original PowerPoint file. If you want people to download it, download your PowerPoint file, you will go ahead and click this option. And then you click publish. And as soon as you click publish, you will see that, let me go ahead and scroll down. You will see that it gives me a notification bar saying creating your video, it's uploading. And once this is uploaded, it's going to give you a confirmation saying your video has been successfully uploaded. You can now go to your stream and take a look at your video. So now let's go ahead and jump into our stream because I've done this before. So here I am in my Microsoft Stream. So let me go to my content. I'm going to go to videos. And here is my latest updated or uploaded video. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And as you can hear, the audio is there. The transitions are there as well. But you see, it's not transcripted. So I'm going to click on my ellipsis here, update video details. You have to first select which language you wanted to transcribe it into, and then auto-generate your caption. And then you simply click apply. And as you can see, it's trying to generate it, but let's go back and look at the one that has already been generated. So here it is. It's already been generated. And you have your transitions, you have all the videos, everything is right here. And if you want captioning to be turned on and turned off, and that facility is also available. This is a blessing because you don't have to download your videos, upload it, just one click of a button and your PowerPoint automatically becomes a video. And you can always go ahead and share this with your students or your group or your channel in your stream. Hope this video helps. I like this feature. Hope you like it too. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to comment below, and happy teaching.